This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jacob, Jim, Plotkin. Beautiful villa overlooking pond. This 2-bedroom 2-bath feels a lot larger than it is with the open floor plan. The master suite includes a walk-in closet and its own bathroom. The kitchen has granite countertops and enough cabinets for a gourmet chef. Enjoy looking out at He Pond from your Florida room/office. Enjoy Rainberry's recreational facilities: huge heated pool, 2 tennis courts, 4 racquetball courts, basketball court and a playground for the kids. Great location to shopping centers, schools and house of worship. Water heater replaced 2016, air conditioner 2017. Roof replaced 2006. For more information, review the details below.